Long-distance drives and driving at night can be extremely tiresome. To assist in making sure you have appropriate rest during your journey, your Mercedes-Benz is fitted with a system designed to improve safe driving and decrease the risk of microsleep.
The Attention Assist feature is designed to monitor the steering behaviour of the driver and is able to recognise typical signs of drowsiness and severe loss of attention. Attention Assist is active above speeds of 60 km per hour and is designed to continuously analyse your steering behaviour. It recognises patterns that frequently occur with increasing drowsiness. It will also show you the time since your last rest break. If the car has detected that your attention levels are low, a visual representation of a coffee cup will appear in conjunction with an audible warning. Depending on the type of driving that you do, whether it is a lot of long-distance driving or not much at all, you can adjust the sensitivity of Attention Assist through the instrument cluster display. The more sensitive the setting, the sooner warnings will appear.
The next time you embark on a long-distance journey, you can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing your car is fitted with technology such as Attention Assist.